Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our HA Consultant and Construction Facebook page and YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you another interior duplex office renovation project, and this project office interior was designed in 2021 at Chittagong in Bangladesh. This office space was quite limited, making it challenging to meet the client's requirement while ensuring optimal space utilization. In this video, we have tried to show you how we tackle those challenges. Stay with us. Our duplex office has been masterfully renovated, combining functionality with refined aesthetics. Each room is separated by tempered sleek glass partitions, ensuring openness without compromising privacy. The interiors are elevated with a sophisticated blend of polished wood finishes and premium paint combination, creating a warm yet professional ambience. From the director room's workspaces, guest waiting area, and account section to be a cozy library, compact kitchen and washroom, all are seamlessly connected through a stylish internal staircase reflecting thoughtful design in every corner. You enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and following our Facebook page to stay connected. Thank you all for your support. And coming up next, we will be sharing behind the scenes of videos of the construction process of this project. Stay tuned.